This is not a bomb, not a bullet, not even fire. And yet, it killed thousands and changed warfare forever. What's unsettling is this. Today, the very same chemical flows through your tap and protects billions of lives. Now, let's rewind. In 1915, soldiers stood in muddy trenches waiting for gunfire. But what came instead was silence. Then, the air itself turned against them. A green-yellow cloud rolled slowly across the battlefield. Not smoke, not fog. Do you know what? It was a chlorine gas. A chemical already known to science. Already used in industry, but never before. Used like this. At first, nothing happened. Then eyes began to burn. Chests tightened. Breathing felt like swallowing fire. Men didn't collapse instantly. They drowned while standing. Because this attack didn't target the skin. It targeted the lungs. And here's the truly terrifying part. Chlorine doesn't kill by force. It kills by chemistry. Inside the lungs, chlorine meets moisture, your breath, your cells, and it reacts, forming acid. Not outside the body, but inside it. The lungs, meant only for oxygen, become a chemical reaction chamber. From that moment on, warfare was never the same. Gas masks were invented, international treaties were written, and science crossed a line it could never fully uncross. But now, here's the twist. That same chemical flows through water pipes around the world today. You drink it, you shower in it, and it doesn't kill you. So, why? Think about it this way. The first secret is form. In war, chlorine was a gas, and gases go straight into the lungs. No filter, no barrier. In water treatment, chlorine is dissolved, not breathed, not concentrated, not free to attack lung tissue. Different pathway, different outcome, same element, different reality. Now here's the second secret, dose. In warfare, soldiers inhaled massive concentrations all at once. In drinking water, chlorine exists in tiny amounts, measured in parts per million. Just enough to kill bacteria, not enough to damage human cells. In chemistry, the dose makes the poison. Even oxygen, the thing keeping you alive, can kill at the wrong level. And there's one more secret most people miss: who chlorine attacks. Chlorine is an oxidizer. It destroys cell walls. Bacteria and viruses are simple, fragile, unprotected. Human cells? They're larger, more complex, shielded by layers of biological defense. So chlorine hits microbes first, long before it harms you. That's exactly why it's used. And here's the quiet genius of water treatment. Chlorine doesn't just clean water once, it stays active. As water travels kilometers of pipes, chlorine keeps killing new bacteria over and over again. No electricity, no machines, just chemistry. Standing guard. That's why cholera outbreaks collapsed. That's why typhoid faded. That's why modern cities exist. The same chemical that once turned air into a weapon now prevents millions of deaths every single year. Chemistry didn't change. Humans did. Chlorine has no intention. It doesn't choose war. It doesn't choose safety. It only reacts. The morality doesn't live in the molecule. It lives in the hands that release it. Once chlorine drifted through trenches as a silent killer. Now it flows invisibly through your tap as a silent protector. Same science, different purpose. Because science is never good or evil, only powerful. And power always asks one question: who controls it? Follow for more dark science they never taught you in school.